Check out these Carnivore Deviled Egg Burgers. They are super easy to make. I start by hard boiling up some eggs for 14 minutes. I peeled all the shell off the eggs and then I started cutting them down the middle. To do this, I actually used a cheese slicer that I had. It made cutting them up so easy. And then once I had cut them all in half, I then started to remove the yolks so that I could make the inner filling. To do this, I mixed the yolks in with a good amount of butter and cream cheese. You can't really go wrong with the cream cheese and butter, so just play around with it and see what works best for you. I got mine to a texture like this, and then I used my Stockman steaks, high-fat mince to make little beef patties. You want to keep them quite small so that they fit nicely in between the two bits of egg. I didn't add salt or anything to the beef, I just cooked them in butter and they came out absolutely perfect. So once all the beef patties are cooked, I got my egg yolk filling and started rolling them into balls and putting them back into the egg white. And it's honestly as easy as that. You grab one slice of egg, put a beef patty in the middle, and then put another egg on top, and there you have your deviled egg burgers. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this recipe. They're really awesome to make as snacks on the go and are a great idea to put into kids' lunch boxes for school as well.